Today is due time. Now you are on Science Week 7, Day 2. Today you're going to use your creativity and innovation skill to make your science project in term 4 based on your plan. You still remember what is the objective or goal in science project mission term 4? The objective is Patrick needs you to help him making a schedule to improve or maintain his daily activities at home. Here are the samples you can follow. This is the sample 1. Remember, there will be 2 parts. The big part on the top is the schedule, and then the one on the bottom is plan of improvement for tomorrow. This is the second sample, and this is the third sample. What to do today? You're going to start making your project. Okay, you just need to copy your work from Science Week 6 Day 2 into your real project. Okay, you need to find again your assignment says my personal schedule. It is on week 6 Day 2. Okay, and then you will make it into the real project. Look like this. How to make it? First, you may use this schedule planner. It will be provided there in the Google Classwork. You need to write the title. If you want to use the schedule planner, you can just write my jobs to do or my schedule, and then write the day. Okay, remember to use your work from Science Week 6 Day 2. And then draw the schedule and time. After that, write the plan of improvement. Remember, guys, you just need to copy from your science assignment in week 6, day 2. It's already there as well for your plan of improvement. Or the second option is you may use any creativity to make the schedule as interesting as you could make. You may use carbon paper, plain paper, any paper at home. You can use color pencil or crayon or any other stuff that you have at home. Remember, you just need to make a schedule in one day at day and nighttime. You can also use this picture for the project. How? Start making the project by downloading the do file from the Google Classwork. Follow each of the instructions from the do file. Good luck!